In this video, I will teach you how to remove background from a video using Filmora. So let's start the video. First click on new project to create a new project. Then import your media. I will import my video. After importing the video, drag and drop the video on the timeline. Just like this. After this, select the video. Go to video options and further AI tools. Here scroll down. Here you see there is an option smart cutout. Just turn it on and click here. Here a new window is opened. Here select the area you do not want to remove. After selecting the area, click again here. The processing is started. After the processing is completed, click on save. Now play the video. You can see that the background from the video is removed properly. You can add any other video or a photo to the background.